structure, let us look into the question. The question says that thymine is also called as. So the key concept that we would be discussing into it, the key concept is the pyrimidine. As we know that pyrimidine is a single ring structure that possesses nitrogen at the position 1 and 3. Apart from that, we see that pyrimidine includes cytosine, uracil and thymine, right? Apart from that, purine का हमें मालूम है, purine includes adenine, it includes adenine and guanine. Now let us look into the structure of thymine and uracil to compare whether what will it be its another name. Let us look into it. As we have seen कि जनरल स्ट्रक्चर में ऑफ पायरिमिडीन के जनरल स्ट्रक्चर में सिंगल रिंग स्ट्रक्चर पाया जाता है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट इट इज 6 membered रिंग और इसके अलावा कुछ और पॉइंट्स अगर हम देखें पायरिमिडीन की तो जो ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है दैट इज 1' ग्लाइकोसिडिक लिंकेज. अब हम देखते हैं इनके स्ट्रक्चर को. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे थाइमीन के स्ट्रक्चर की. दिस इज थाइमीन एंड यूरेसिल. ऑलराइट, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ थाइमीन, a 6-membered ring. Along with that we'll be having NH, double bonded O, methyl. Along with that what we see that there is a double bond between this and this carbon, and at the base there is N which is bonded with H. Now this is the structure of thymine, and along with that there will be double bonded O. Apart from that हम जब देखेंगे यूरेसिल का स्ट्रक्चर, so it is quite similar to the structure of thymine. It has NH thymine की तरह. यहाँ पे doubly bonded O. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे यहाँ doubly bonded O, apart oxygen, and यहाँ पे N which is singly bonded with hydrogen, and here double bond will be present. Along with that, as we can see, this is the structure of uracil. Now अब हम नंबरिंग करेंगे. जब नंबरिंग करते हैं हम तो we see that the counting starts from this nitrogen. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6-membered ring. Along with that, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि इन दोनों के स्ट्रक्चर में काफी सिमिलैरिटी है, and there is around 1% difference between the both of the structures, and that difference is the presence of this methyl. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि the entire structure of thymine is of methyl, right? Entire structure of thymine is the structure of uracil, and only at 5 carbon it is differing. So we can say that it is 5-methyl uracil. Thus comparing the options, it is option D. Now we can conclude that option D is the right answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.